Hi children, good morning. How are you? How is the work going on? I think you are doing well. So still who not submitted the home assignment notebooks? Try it fast. Be alert. Be active. Is it? Yes, very good children. So welcome back to our session. Okay. So what's our topic? Separation of the substances. In the last class, we have learned the methods which we are going to separate the substances. Is it children? Have you remembered? Yes. So what are those? Sieving method, then winnowing method. Is it? Yes. So in that, still any doubts are there for you? I think no. If any doubts are there, directly you can meet me or through the WhatsApp you can send the doubts regarding to the topic. Okay, let me start today's topic. Yes, so separation of the substances. In the previous class, we have separated the substances by the hand picking, winnowing and the sieving methods and all we have used. Still some of the substances are there that much easily we cannot separate it. Then we can leave it like that only? No. So, for example, when we are washing the rice, inside we'll throw that water. Is it that waste water which we have washed? In that water, the particles will be settled down. That water, can we make it as pure? How, ma'am? Yeah. So, for that also we are having some of the methods to which it has dissolved in the water. Once again we can make it as the pure water. For example, nowadays it's the rainy season. So when the rain comes, you can see that water. Which color? The water will be brown color. So if you take that water, why can't we make it as the pure water? That one we can make it. How? Yeah, we are having the methods to make it as the pure water. So today we are going to learn about still some of the methods which we are going to make it as pure. So let me go. What are those methods? Let me see once. Okay. So in this we are having the sedimentation, decantation, filtration. So what are those children? Sedimentation, decantation, filtration. Then what is this sedimentation, decantation, filtration means? Let me go. Take a glass of muddy water. What is that? Take a glass of muddy water or take pure water, add some soil to that and stir it well. What will happen? The color of the water will be changes. Why? Because we have dissolved that soil inside that. Now how will be the water for us? It's very dirty. No, I want my pure water once again. So what we have to do? Take that glass and keep it aside for a while. Then what will happen? That mud and all will be settles down. That process only we call it as the sedimentation. Let me see the definition for this. When the heavier component in a mixture settles after water is added to it, this process is called as sedimentation. So what is this heavier component? What we are adding? The sand, mud particles that in a mixture settles. When we have added the water only, it is going to settle down. So when the settles after water is added to it, this process is called as sedimentation. So mix the soil to the water, then keep it aside. Then what it will happen? It is going to, the mud particles will be settled down and some of the water will be up. Now you can see the change of some color. The change of the color of the water. That means it will become somewhat light. Next, did we keep it as it is? No. Still, we want the pure water. Then what we have to go? That one, slowly take the another glass and slowly you pour that only the water, not the mud particles. Slowly transfer this water to the another glass. Then this mud will be aside. Throw it. That is the sedimentation process we have finished. Now this water which we have taken that water, then try to filter it. So that water we call it as the decantation. The process of removal of water above the sediment is called as decantation. Just what we are collecting the water. So that water only we call it as the decanted water. That is the decantation. And next what we have to do? Take a cloth and pour that water to the another glass. So what will happen? The small particles which it is present in the water which we can see with our naked eyes, that and all will be settled on that cloth. Then we will get the pure water. So how much pure it is? Still it is not 100% pure. Then what we have to do? Already we have taken the cloth and we have filtered it. Still what the original water we have taken, the pure water we are not getting. Then what we have to do for that? Yeah, here we have to use the filter paper. By using of the filter paper, pour the water through the filter paper and you can see the pure water. That means what we are going to drink. How the color? What is the color of the water? It's colorless. So we can see the original water. So what we have done here? Which process we have done? Filtration. Yes. So next one is filtration. Separation of finer impurities from the decanted using a filter paper. So here the main thing is using the filter paper is known as the filtration. Now we got the pure water. It's ready to have it. Is it? Yes. So like this we can separate the substances. Understood, children? Let me glance once. So sedimentation, decantation, filtration. What do you mean by sedimentation? When the heavier component in a mixture settles after water is added to it, the process is called sedimentation. Next, decantation. The process of removal of water above the sediment is called as decantation. Next, filtration. Separation of finer impurities from the decanted using the filter paper is known as filtration. Okay, understand? Yes. So what are all I have written on the board? You have to maintain your running notes. That means these points you have to mention in your running notes. Yes. Copy, children. Hi children, here we can see the sedimentation, decantation and filtration. So here in this process we can learn how to separate the water by using of these methods. What are those? Sedimentation, decantation and filtration. So what is sedimentation? When the heavier component in the mixture settles down after leaving the undistributed for some time. The process is called as sedimentation. The process of removal of water above the sediment is called decantation. Separation of finer impurities from the decant using a filter paper is known as filtration. So already we have seen the definitions. So which water is this? It is the muddy water. We have taken the muddy water and stirred it. Now you can observe the color of this water. Then we have to settle for a while. See down you can see the mud particles which it has settled down. So which process we call this one as sedimentation. Then what we have to do? Take the another beaker, slowly transfer the water to that beaker. So that mud particles which it has settled down, leave it aside, and this which we have taken the water, we call it as the decant. Then let me try by using of the tea strainer. We are going to filter it. Can you see the particles? Really it has filtered? No, because see that the color of the mud water still it is as it is. Then what we have to do to remove of that color? We have to try for the another method. So which method we can try it? Yeah, so take a fine cloth and transfer that water through the cloth. So still it has changed the color of that water. You can see the pure water? No. Yeah. So finally we have to use the filter paper. By using of the filter paper, we are going to filter it, because you can observe the pores, small pores. That means like the holes for the filter paper it will be. So that it is going to filter the impurities which it is present in the water. So this one we call it as the funnel. Through the funnel, if you keep the filter paper inside that, if you pour that water as it is, so we can see that particles it has absorbed by the filter paper. Finally, see the water, color of the water. Yes, we got the pure water. So what we have learnt in this activity, when the heavier component in a mixture settles after leaving the undisturbed for some time, this process we call it as the sedimentation. The process of removal of water above the sediment is called as the decantation. Separation of finer impurities from the decanter using a filter paper is known as filtration. Okay, thank you.